guys, welcome back to my channel. I have this really easy makeup look for you guys. It's really easy to recreate, and if you guys want to see how to achieve this look, then just keep watching. Also, today I have a couple new products that I want to use and test out for today. So I'll be telling you guys what those products are along the way. So yeah, let's get right in. I'm gonna start off with priming my skin using, of course, the Essence mattifying plus pore minimizing primer, and I'm going to be taking it on this Real Techniques foundation brush. And if you see that these areas are red, it's because I did a little face mask. I'm gonna go in with the Dior Forever foundation, and I'm using a Real Techniques buffing brush. Now I'm just going to take my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge and just go over the foundation just to make sure there's no streaks, to just make sure everything is nice and smooth. I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm going to go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Okay, do you guys hear that? It's a leaf blower. The neighbors across the street are having their lawn care service, and I really need to get through this video, so I'm just gonna have to continue with them in the background. So one of the new products that I have, well, it's not so new. I think it came out in the summer, but I honestly never saw it in my feed or anywhere, or I don't think I've ever seen anybody talk about it. And this is the Real Techniques Miracle Powder Sponge. So I found this at Walmart, and I was very interested because you guys know I love the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. This is the one that I normally use, and I thought it would be really cool if I tried it out and see if there was any difference. But yeah, I say seamlessly apply setting bronzer, highlight plus blush powders for a flawless finish. Use damp or dry with powders. It's so soft. It has like this it has a velvet material for evenly blending powders. So that's so cool. It feels so nice. Should I use use it dry? Or should I wet it? I think I'm just gonna use it dry. To set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Fair Light finishing powder. This powder I have used. I have it in a darker shade to match my skin tone, but I wanted to see how it works under the eyes, so I went ahead and got a light shade. So I'm going to be trying this out today. Hopefully, you know, it works just as good as around the whole face, because I love it for the whole face. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and with this pink one and just press it onto the powder, and that picks up a lot. So I'm just going to dab it on the back of my hand. Okay, and now I'm going to apply it. See that I still have a lot. I mean, you guys can see there's a lot of product here still. Just to make sure I don't have a lot of powder, I'm going to just use this brush to gently wipe away. I think it did a pretty good job of just setting my concealer. Yeah, I don't think it brightened it up or anything. Let's see if I apply a little bit more. If it will do anything. Yeah, every time I say a little bit, I end up grabbing a lot. So I'm just going to wipe that off. Yeah, it's just good for setting the concealer. It feels really smooth under the eyes. It feels really nice. Not drying at all. So I really like it. I'm going to be using my Shade and Light palette for my bronzer. I'm using the middle shade right there with my Real Techniques brush. Okay, I'm going to move on to the eyes, and I'm going to be using the So Jaded palette, and I'm going to use Garnet. And I'm just basically taking Garnet all over the crease. This eyeshadow is such a pretty color. I love it. I will be taking fluorite with my finger and applying that onto the lid. So pretty. I'm going to Jasper right here. I'm just going to apply this to the outer corner of my eyelid. Just really concentrate the product there. Don't worry, I will be blending that out. I'm just putting this where I want it to be first. And I am picking up Jasper a few times. And I'm lightly tapping right where those two eyeshadows meet. Now I'm gonna go in back with Garnet, that first shade we used, or I used, and then I'm just going to go in. Pick up fluorite again with my finger and reapply it. I'm so obsessed with diamond right here, so I'm going to pick it up. So pretty, and just tap. I'm going to take Jasper and just apply it to the lower lash line. My phone stopped recording and I just basically put Jasper on both of the lower lash line right here. And yeah, so far that's what I did. I'm gonna go move on back into the face. And let's see what blush I want to do. The blush that I'm going to use today is I Need Space from ColourPop. I'm actually going to clean up right here. going to immediately wipe that away. And I'm going to set my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Barely has any, but now I'm just going to highlight using Mary Luminizer. Now I'm also going to add Mary Luminizer to the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to go in with Alyssa from ColourPop. Last product I have is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. I've never tried this before. This mascara definitely gives me length and it really separates my eyelashes. I'm not sure about volume, but it's very nice. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!